Now that we're in October, I'm glad summer is about to be over. Because every summer, I deal with this one problem and I don't have a solution for it. As you all know, I have a lot of elderly clients and I love them to death. But as they age, they have a hard time hearing what I have to say, such as what color they want, what shape they want. And each time they can't hear me, they lean forward and they say, "What you say?" But that's not even the problem. The problem is that when they lean forward, what you say, they tend to wear a lot of loose clothes because it's hot. And all the little puppies like, "Who let the dogs out?" And that's not right because their dogs is kind of like wrinkles and everything. But I keep my composure. I stay professional because I know my elderly client have lived their life. They deserve to be free. They deserve to let loose. But I got to be smart. I just keep my conversation short. I make sure I don't start any type of conversation with a lot of questions because each time it leads to a question, it leads to what you say, and that leads to who let the dogs out. And that's not right, y'all. So I love my senior citizen clients. I do. Because those are guaranteed money from their Social Security, y'all. And they come on time too, and they let you do whatever you want. So I just keep my composure and just let them let loose.